Hi everybody and welcome back to the Hard Info channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can easily change Google Maps working to driving. So, if you have your destination set mistakenly to walking, you can easily set it to driving. At first let me set some quick destination. Here, as you can see, you have set your destination to walking. And if you start that, got it, allow distance. Here, as you can see, you have this man icon, and it means that you are in walking right now. To set it to driving, tap this X button and click this car here. Now you have set your destination to driving. And as you can see, from 3 days, we are now to 3 hours and 12 minutes. That's it. Hope it helps you and have a nice day.